another 5 problems in MD1. So as you can see, I will show you the problem statement on the screen. So the given is load work is equals to 4,000 pounds, and the double squared D is equals to 2 times 1/2. So our P is equal to 0.5 inches, and our L or lead is equal to 2P or 1 inches. So mu is equal to 0.1, and mu C or the polar is equal to 0.15. So RC is equal to 2 inches, and our velocity is equal to 2 feet per minute. So our solution is dm is equal to d minus p over 2 is simply 2.5 minus 0.5 over 2 is equal to 2.25 inches. So let's solve for the lead angle. So tan is equal to L over 5 dm. Simply just gonna plug in the lead and the value of this. So using this formula, so just plug in. So 1 over 5 times 2.25, we can get 0.1415. So let's try to solve for torque. So torque is equals to W dm over 2. So it's times mu plus tan y over 1 minus p tan y. So T is equals to 4,000 times 2.25 over 2, or 4,000 times 2.25 over 2 times 0.1 plus 0.1415 over 1 minus 1 minus 0.1 times 0.1415. So let's compute the torque. So 4,000 times 2.25 over 2 times 0.1 plus 0.1415 over 1 minus 0.1 times 0.1415 is we can get 1,102 pound inches. So let's solve for the polar torque. So PC or torque polar mu C times WRC. So this just plug in. So 0.15 times 4,000 times 2 is equals to 1,200 pound inches. So T is equals to 1,102, or we will just gonna calculate the torques, which is this, and then add for 1,200 for torque polar. So T plus TC is simply 1,102 plus 1,200, we can get 2,302 pound inches. So now let's solve for N. N is equals to V over L. So N is equals to 10 times 12 over 1, we can get 120 RPM, or we can get 120 RPM. So now let's get the horsepower. So HP is equals to 2 pi times N times T or torque over 63,025. So let's just plug in the N and T. So 2 pi times 120 times 2,302 over 63,025. We can get the final answer of 4.95 HP. So the answer is letter D. Alright, let's move for the second problem. So we have the given of D is equal to 203 meter, and the stroke is equal to 34 mm, and for P is equal to 31 kilogram per centimeter squared. So our N is equal to 10. The solution, we'll be using this formula. F is equal to EA. Convert verb to centimeter. So we have 200 meter to centimeter. So we have 20.3 centimeters. So let's use it for the area, which is A is equal to pi over D squared over 4. So just gonna plug in the value of diameter, which is 20.3. We can get 323.65 centimeters squared. Now let's use this formula, which is F is equals to 31 times 323.65 is equals to 10,033 kilogram. So now let's solve for the bolt. So first bolt is equals to 10,033 over 10 is simply 1,003.3 kilogram. So now let's go to stress T is equals to 90 MPa. So area for bolt is equals to FB over stress T, which is 90 MPa. So now let's go to diameter, so which is the diameter here is 13.4 mm. So the depth is this. For depth, let's use the formula of 3 times D, which is the diameter of 13.4 millimeter times 3. So we can get the final answer of 40.2 millimeter. So this is the final answer, which is letter D. So let's move to the third problem, which is given P is equals to 4 mm or mean diameter is equals to 18 millimeter. So for load, for W is equals to 400 kilogram or 3924 Newton. For mu, 37 millimeter. So color ID is equals to 27 millimeter. So let's solve for this angle, which is tan Y is equals to P over pi mean diameter. Simply, it's just gonna plug in. So 4 over pi times 18, 4 over pi times 18 is equal to 0.0707. So now let's move to the third thread. So which is W mean diameter over 2 times P plus tan Y over 1 minus mu tan Y. We can get 14.7 Newton meter. So let's move to the mean collar. So radius C or radius collar, we're just gonna use this formula. So which is 37 plus 27 over 4 is equals to 16 mm or 0.016 meter. So for TC or torque collar, we can use this formula. So mu times W times RC. Since we have RC and we have W, which is this, and we have mu, so we can solve now. So 0.3 times 3924 times 0.016 is equals to 18.8 Newton meter. So now let's add the 14.7 plus 18.8. So we can get the torque of 32.6 Newton meter, which is letter B. So for the fourth problem, we have given L is equals to 61.3 inches and small sheave or D, small d is equals to 110 millimeter, and for big D or big sheave is equals to 200 mm. So let's convert the 61.3 or let's convert the length to that inches to millimeter. So 61.3 inches is equals to 1557 millimeters. So solution, simply L is equals to 2C plus pi over 2 times big D plus small d is equals to, big D plus small d plus big D minus small d squared over 4C. So which is our length is 1557 is equals to 2C plus pi over 2 times 200 plus 110 plus 90 squared over 4C. So you can just use, you can just shift solve this since the unknown only is C. So we can get the C 520 millimeter. So for degree, 180 minus 57.3 times big D minus small d over C. And simply we're just gonna plug in. So 180 minus 57.3 times 90 over 520 millimeter. Simply we can get 169.87 degrees. which is letter C. So let's solve for the last problem. Which is given D is equals to 610 millimeter or 0.61 meter. So P is equals to 40 kilowatts and N or speed is equals to 500 RPM. So let's solve for belt velocity. So which is we're gonna use this problem. We're gonna use this formula. So pi dn over 60. So we're just gonna plug in the D and N. So simply pi times 0.61 times 500 over 60, we can get a velocity of 15.97 meter per second. And for Ft is equals to P over V, since we have P already, which is 40 kilowatts, and we also have the velocity, which is 15.97 meter per second. We're just gonna plug in or calculate P over V, which is 40,000. Just gonna convert it to watts. 40,000 over 15.97. We can get 2,505 Newton, which is letter C in the choices.